So, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today for this insightful session on Zoho WorkDrive. I'm Gautam, and I'll be your host for this webinar. And along with me, I have Jennifer and Balaji, the product experts of Zoho WorkDrive. So, we are excited to have you here as we explore the powerful features and functionalities that Zoho WorkDrive brings to the table. Feel free to engage with us during this webinar. If you have any questions, please use the Q&A tab and post your queries. Balaji, the product expert here, will be addressing them. We are happy to share that we have now more than 100 million trusted users worldwide who rely on Zoho for their business productivity needs. Isn't that amazing, Jennifer?
Absolutely, Gautam. It's a testament to the trustworthiness and efficiency of our products, and Zoho WorkDrive has become a cornerstone for many organizations around the globe.
Today, we'll be focusing on how to optimize data management with WorkDrive add-ons. Zoho WorkDrive is not just a file storage and content collaboration platform. It offers various add-ons that enhance its functionality. These add-ons help overcome common obstacles encountered by numerous industries when sharing and collaborating with different file formats. Let's take an overview of specific add-ons that Zoho WorkDrive offers. Jennifer, could you please give an overview of today's agenda?
Sure, Gautam. So, in today's session, we will be discussing on how you can collaborate using WorkDrive's Genie, MS Office Suite add-on, WorkDrive's Outlook add-in, and Gmail add-ons. And now, let me quickly brief you about these add-ons. So, the first we have is the Zoho WorkDrive's Genie app, which is a flexible extension that connects your files with your machine's powerful editing tools. It allows you to open and edit files with applications like Microsoft Word, CorelDRAW, and Adobe Premiere Pro, and any changes made are synced instantly to your WorkDrive account. The MS Office add-on allows you to create and edit files using Microsoft Office Suite and store them directly on WorkDrive. It's perfect for teams that heavily rely on Microsoft Office tools to work on documents. The Outlook add-in enables you to save and manage your email attachments from Outlook directly to the WorkDrive platform. This streamlines the process of handling project documents received via email. And then we have the Gmail add-on, which ensures you to stay in control of your files from Gmail to WorkDrive, making it easy to manage attachments and emails without leaving your inbox.
Wow, that's impressive. I didn't realize WorkDrive had such versatile add-ons. The Genie app sounds especially useful for integrating various editing tools. Plus, the MS Office add-on would be perfect for our team since we rely heavily on Office tools. And managing email attachments directly from Outlook and Gmail sounds like it'll really streamline our workflow. Thank you so much for this detailed overview. So, Jennifer, would you please explain how the setup process worked for the Outlook add-on?
Sure, Gautam. I will explain this with a real life example. So let's consider an organization that recently received an email containing information about a new project. The attached documents are in docx file format received via Outlook. The team can use the WorkDrive add-in for the Microsoft Outlook to save the attachments to WorkDrive. Various departments can then access and input their suggestions into this docx project file through this add-on, ensuring a seamless collaboration across teams. So, in order to utilize this add-in, the team should first install the app to save the attachments. The WorkDrive add-in for MS Outlook can be installed in either of the following ways. Either you can install directly from the MS Outlook app, or you can install from the Microsoft App Source. And now, to save an email with attachments from Outlook to WorkDrive, you would have to first open the email email with attachments in your Outlook account, click on the apps icon at the top of your email, select the WorkDrive icon, and in the WorkDrive window that appears on the right panel, you will have to find options to either save the attachments or save the entire email as a .eml file. Then you can choose that option that you prefer, and from there you can select the folder in WorkDrive where you want to save the attachments or the email. The attachments or the email will be saved in the chosen folder.
Well, that seems like easy and straightforward. And I hope saving attachments from Gmail is as simple as the Outlook that you mentioned. Is that so, Jennifer?
Yes, Gautam. So saving attachments from Gmail to WorkDrive is just as easy with the Outlook add-in. You can simply access your Gmail account and open the email with the attachments, and from there you can click the WorkDrive icon in the right sidebar. And from there you can click the Save All button to save all the attachments at once, or you can click on individual attachments to save them to your WorkDrive account. You can choose a top level location that is either your My folders or a team folder, or even you can select a subfolder or you can create a new one to save the files.
So, Jennifer, as in the previous section, we discussed on how to save attachments to WorkDrive from Gmail and Outlook. Now, after receiving the document, the team's various departments need to put their inputs or they have to give their suggestions into a docx project file. So how do we edit these files using MS Office? I mean, these MS Office files in WorkDrive. Do you have any solutions for that?
That's a great question, Gautam. So for editing files, MS Office add-on has got you covered with the collaboration part. Team members can access the docx format through this add-on, and the document can be opened through MS Office add-on that is installed on your desktop. This would open the file through the docx editor tool installed or already available in your computer, allowing you to edit the file and save it back to the WorkDrive.
That's fantastic. It's great to know that the MS Office add-on makes collaboration so seamless. Being able to open, edit, and save documents directly in WorkDrive using the tools we are already familiar with will definitely enhance our productivity. Thanks for explaining how it works, Jennifer. So, moving on, Jennifer, I have a quick question. What if the team wants to edit these MS Office suite or non-Zoho native files on the web? So we understand that WorkDrive has a limitation with editing non-native files online. So how is it possible for us to edit these non-native files using various tools that we have?
Yes, so on this you don't have to worry about editing other file formats, because that's where the Genie comes into play. With WorkDrive Genie app, you can open and edit files such as documents, images, and videos on your desktop. You just need to install the Genie app on your Mac or Windows device, and once it's installed, what it does is it connects your files with your desktop's powerful editing tools. You can open and edit the required document using the Open With option from the WorkDrive UI, and from there the file will open in the editor installed on your desktop. And once you have made your changes, you have to simply save the file to sync the changes to the cloud. This provides seamless integration between your desktop and the cloud storage.
That's really convenient. It's great to know that Genie allows seamless editing with such a variety of tools. Just to make sure we are fully prepared, can you tell me which operating system does Genie support?
Thank you for asking about this, Gautam. So Genie is supported both in Windows and in Mac systems. So for Windows, you can install the add-on for Windows 7 and above versions. And for Mac, it can be installed for Mac OS 10.13 High Sierra or higher versions.
That's good to know. It's great that Genie supports both major operating systems. What are some limitations and challenges users might encounter when it comes to WorkDrive Genie or MS Office Suite add-ons? Are there any specific limitations we should be aware of?
So thank you for bringing about the limitations. So yes, there are few limitations with Genie and MS Office add-on. So with Genie, any WorkDrive file you open on your desktop will remain on your system for 7 days, and if not edited within this period, it will be removed from your desktop. And additionally, the latest version of Genie doesn't support Safari and Brave browsers. And for the MS Office Suite add-on, you would require the Visual Studio 2010 tools for Office runtime to run Microsoft Office-based solutions built using Microsoft Visual Studio 2010, 12, 13, and 15. And without this, you cannot install the WorkDrive for MS Office add-on. And if you do not have the Visual Studio tool installed in your system already, you would have to download the same to rule out the VS2TO runtime error.
Thanks for the heads up, Jennifer. It's good to know about these potential issues and their solutions so that our users will install the required add-ons, the required applications to run the add-ons. And one more thing, I have heard that TrueSync can also be used for editing non-native files on our system. So can you please explain how TrueSync differs from Genie?
Absolutely, Gautam. So, TrueSync houses all your files on a virtual drive without consuming storage on your device. So, anytime you open an online file, it gets downloaded to the TrueSync cache. So, TrueSync will be the go-to app if you are concerned about the R drive storage. And all files are saved exclusively online, and you can choose to save important files and folders for offline use by just right-clicking and selecting the available offline option. Since TrueSync doesn't download any actual file while syncing, it's lighter on your machine's memory and storage usage, ensuring smooth operation even on systems with lower configurations. Additionally, you can connect a multiple WorkDrive accounts to your TrueSync application, making this feature useful if you're part of multiple teams and want a unified hub for all your data.
That sounds incredibly efficient, Jennifer. TrueSync clearly offers great benefits for managing storage and ensuring smooth operation on devices. Now, can you explain how Genie differs from TrueSync, especially in terms of file handling and integration with system tools?
So when it comes to Genie, it helps you to import files to your device and quickly work on them using your systems tool. Genie is more about enabling you to open and edit any file format with the right app installed on your system. With Genie, you can eliminate the hassle of manually downloading files from the WorkDrive app. And Genie allows you to open and edit WorkDrive files directly with your system tools, syncing any changes immediately to your WorkDrive account. And adding to this, WorkDrive supports preview for about 220 file formats. And with Genie in your hand, you can preview any file format if you have the right app installed on your system, making it easy to open and check files not supported by the WorkDrive web application.
Thank you for the detailed explanation, Jennifer. It's great to see how Genie complements TrueSync by allowing seamless integration with system tools and supporting a wide range of file formats. This truly enhances the flexibility and efficiency of managing files on Zoho WorkDrive. So, moving on, now that I understand the differences between TrueSync and Genie, I also have another question. Is there an option to set up automation by connecting WorkDrive with any third-party applications?
Of course, so for this particular use case, you can make use of Zapier to connect WorkDrive with a variety of web applications, enabling the automation of workflows. For example, you can automate file uploads to WorkDrive from different sources, set up alerts for your team members, or you can create complex multi-step workflows and even receive notifications for every file download in your WorkDrive directly to your Gmail mailbox. mailbox. This integration with Zapier provides a seamless way to enhance productivity and streamline your processes. So let me quickly walk you through a quick example on how you can integrate a WorkDrive with Gmail. So here we have integrated WorkDrive team folder with Zapier to receive instant Gmail notifications for file or folder download actions. This setup is valuable for team folder admins as it ensures they receive immediate email alerts directly in their personal mailboxes whenever there is a download activity within the team folder occurs. This way, crucial information never goes unnoticed, enabling prompt insights and responses.
Wow, that's impressive. The ability to get instant notifications for download actions is incredibly useful for staying on top of important activities. So the team admins can make use of these options so that they don't miss out any important activities that is being carried on Zoho WorkDrive. So can we also upload a file to WorkDrive using a third-party applications? Will that be possible?
Yes, absolutely. That is possible, Gautam. Let's take a look on another real time example. So, in this section, we will demonstrate how to upload a file to WorkDrive that was created in Evernote. First, you have to connect your Evernote account in Zapier and select the new note under the App and Event tab. Then you can choose the notebook where the notes are created. Next, set up an action by searching for and selecting Zoho WorkDrive and choosing the Upload File Action event. Now you can connect your Zoho WorkDrive account to Zapier and select the folder in Zoho WorkDrive where the file will be uploaded. Map the Evernote fields to the WorkDrive fields and you can select the attachments to the file content in WorkDrive. Finally, you can give a descriptive name to the Zap and toggle it on to enable the Zap. As you can see, we have successfully uploaded the file to WorkDrive through this Zap automation.
That's fantastic. So you can connect WorkDrive with several other applications as well. Imagine setting instant alerts for any actions in WorkDrive and sending them straight to a third-party app like Slack. Plus, you can also automate the process of saving Gmail attachments directly to WorkDrive using Zapier. The possibilities are endless and incredibly exciting. So, thank you so much for joining us today, everyone. We hope you found this session on optimizing data management with Zoho WorkDrive add-ons both informative and engaging. Your participation and questions have made this webinar truly interactive and enjoyable. We appreciate your time and interest.
Remember, our team are always here to support you. You don't have to hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions or need assistance. So we are available 24/7 via chat and 24/5 via phone lines. So to reach us, you can go to any of our WorkDrive webpage, and from there you can connect with us through live chats, and also you can see our support email address displayed here. So if any questions, you can directly send an email to us, and we are very grateful for your continued support, and we look forward to helping you achieve your business goals with Zoho WorkDrive. Have a great day, and thank you once again for being part of our community.